Stop losing sales at checkout. Here's how to add a professional login form in seconds using ShopLentor. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to ShopLentor settings and open the Gutenberg tab. Find the Checkout Login Form block, toggle it on, and hit Save Changes. Now, let's add it to your page. Go to Template Builder and click Add New. Select Checkout as your template type. Give it a name and click Edit with Gutenberg. In the block editor, search for Checkout Login Form. Look for the one with the WL badge. Now, simply drag and drop it exactly where you want your customers to see the login option. Time to match your brand. In the Styles tab, you can customize everything, from the form toggler colors and description fonts to the input box height and login button design. You have total control over the look and feel. And that's it. A seamless, professional checkout experience in just a few clicks. Build a smarter store with ShopLentor today. Thanks for watching.
To grow your business with more great videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Has Themes on YouTube.